How to uninstall AnyDesk on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can uninstall AnyDesk in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, let's just open up our settings. And on your settings, on the left sidebar, you'll find apps. Head over to apps, and on apps, you'll see an option on the top that says installed apps. Head over there. And after you're here, all you now need to do is search for AnyDesk. So let's let this load. And there you'll find AnyDesk right here. If you don't find this, simply search for it here. And on the right hand side of AnyDesk, you'll find more options. Tap on that and tap on uninstall. After you tap on uninstall again. Give the device permission, and after you do that, you will just be able to uninstall this. So I'll just remove the configuration files as well, then tap on uninstall. And it's that simple. The uninstall should begin, and there you can see uninstall AnyDesk, tap on OK, and after some time AnyDesk will be deleted. And that's how easy it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.